Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I welcome you all at my YouTube channel Let's Spread Happiness. I hope all of you are fine. So today in this video I will tell you how to do free online courses of Python, JavaScript and HTML. All of these latest programming language. There are multiple jobs related to these languages. So let's start. First of all, let me tell you the importance of Java and Python. When you type most advanced language, programming language that are top trending, that are JavaScript, Python, Go, Java, Kotlin, etc. So how you can do free courses of these language? I will type here edx.org. This is a website where you can do online courses. Some are paid and some are free. So here I will type CS50. Simply I will type here CS50 and I will hit enter. You can see here there are multiple courses available. First of all, let me tell you CS50P. This is related to introduction to programming with Python. CS50AI, artificial intelligence, and CS50S, programming with Scratch, and CS50X, which is combination of all the previous languages. So currently I have been enrolled in this course, and you can see here, like I was telling you before, it is free. Optional upgrade is available. If you need certificate, you have to pay for this. Otherwise this is totally free, and this is self-paced course. You can do it at your own time. This is prolonged to 10 weeks. So what you will learn, Python and function, basic syntax and libraries, regular expression, etc. So this is very useful course. I am myself doing it, and you can enroll in this course by registering it at this website. When you do this course, after doing this course, you can do this course as well, CS50P. Sorry, this is already been covered. The CS50X, which is combination of JavaScript and Python, etc. All topics will be covered in this course. So this is also very useful course. When I click this course, you can see here it is prolonged to 12 weeks, and it is also self-paced. It is free. Optional upgrade is available. And what you will learn when you will click this, here you can see familiarity in number of languages like C, Python, SQL, JavaScript plus CSS and HTML, and it's totally free. If you don't need certificate, if you need certificate, then you have to pay for it. I hope this must be very useful for you, and you can easily enroll in this course. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay subscribed.